Hey, it's Mr. Tush over at Global, and today you're going to do your dance animation project. To show you what it looks like when it's done, this is an example. Yours will look completely different, but I'll hit the green flag. And once I do, you'll see she starts dancing. You'll also notice that she's programmed to do different moves. Here's her second move, and then in another 15 or 20 seconds, she will begin her third move. And I'll click the stop sign just to stop what's going on. So I'm looking for a full dance. And you'll notice that in order to do this, you are going to have to create new blocks. So when I create these different blocks, this one is called jump. Let me pull it out of the air. That is specifically her jump move. Now, I'll put that back. And now I will pull out her bounce move. Let's see what her bounce looks like. Hang on, let me separate those out. This is bounce. So whenever I say bounce, that's what bounce looks like. And then there's one here called shimmy. And shimmy looks a little different. And those are names that, the user defined. They could have called it Charlie, Scott, and Willie. It doesn't matter. The bottom line is you have to define your dance moves using brand new blocks. How do I get it to dance? Well, I changed the costume. So if I wanted to, I could, and I already did it once practice, but if I wanted to, for example, create a fourth move, I could then take this particular sprite and always use the built-in sprites, and I would duplicate the sprite, for example, and then I might, scroll up to her arms, and I might stretch them out maybe. That would look funny, so we're not going to do that. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move her leg. So I'm going to rotate her leg out and move it over. And then I have to pick up her stocking color here so the color looks right. I'll fix that a little bit. And then I'm going to pull out the side of her shoe and turn that so it looks right. So now she's got her shoe, and I'm going to call this thing, instead of ballerina D2, I'm going to call it ballerina split. And now when she's in the air, she can also do a split. And if I wanted to, I could have her moving her leg midair. You can see how switching between the two costumes, I'd move the leg midair. I could make that a part of a different move and even add a fourth move to this. Your job is to create a completely different original dance using a sprite, a built-in sprite, and music of your choice. Where do I put the music? Over here on the backdrops. The backdrops here has this. So this is the smiling song that they use. This is the MP3 file. You're going to have to download the MP3 file, upload it into the backdrop, and then have the sprite dance for you. I'm looking for at least 3 moves and a soundtrack that matches the length of the dance. The dance should be 60 seconds at the most. Good luck, enjoy, come up with something fun. Thanks for watching.